Hello everyone, my name is Feliza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a redecorating my room video. And this is going to be like Pinterest inspired because I love having an aesthetically pleasing room, and if you guys are into that kind of stuff, if you guys are into decorating and kind of just finding affordable ways to kind of revamp your room again, then I think that you guys would really enjoy watching this video. So make sure you turn your post notifications on and subscribe so you can keep up to date with my videos. And follow me on Instagram. My username is Feliza. I will have it linked down below. And without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Okay, so to start off my room transformation, first I have moved my bed, which used to be here. Actually, I didn't move it, my brother moved it because it was too heavy for me. But basically, my bed used to be on like this corner of my room. I'll insert a clip from my previous room tour video just so that you guys can get a better idea of the layout of my room before. But yeah, basically my bed used to be in this corner of my room, and now we've moved it to the opposite side of my room, which is over here. And the reason why I decided to move my bed is because since my window is right in front of me and my bed used to be here, every single time I would wake up in the morning, even if the blinds were closed, the sun would still seep through and it would just blind me in the morning. And it obviously isn't good for my eyes to be waking up in the morning with the sun just right in your face all the time. So now that we've moved my bed and it's against the sunlight, now when I wake up in the morning, I won't have an issue with the sun just like completely glaring in my face. So that's the first big move that we did. I didn't film it because it's kind of complicated to film moving the bed since it's huge. And now I think the next thing that I'm gonna do, since it's like pretty like bland behind me here, like there's not much furniture, there's not much decorations. So I think what I'm gonna do now is, so my desk used to be here, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my desk to this section over here where my bed used to be. Okay, so now that we've moved my desk, it's looking kind of just like bland here. So I'm going to move this little chair thing that I have here, and I'm gonna move it to this corner here. So basically, instead of my chair being here like it was before, now it's over here. So now for the wall decor, I got this thing. I honestly don't even remember where I got it, if it was from Amazon or if it was from Walmart or something, but it basically is this gallery art thing that has a bunch of like different pictures and little posters that you can put on your wall with like cute sayings on it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It just says DIY gallery art, and it basically just has a bunch of different posters of like cute things. And so the ones that I picked out are here. So like, for example, this one, together is my favorite place to be, home is where the heart is. It's just like cute sayings, like all good things are wild and free, and they're all just like super like Pinteresty. Like on Pinterest, I see these all the time. So I picked out my favorite ones that I'm gonna put up on my wall, and I already like assembled them in the way that I wanted. And on my bed frame, I have these Twinkle lights that I got from Urban Outfitters, and I've had these on my bed frame for a while, so I think I'm going to move these and put it over here since this wall's pretty bland right now. Okay, so I have taped all of these posters so that I can put them on my wall right now. Okay, so I've put up the posters on this side of my wall and it looks super cute. I really like how it's turning out. So now that I have these ones up, now I'm gonna put the twinkle lights on this side where my desk is, because I have some Polaroid pictures here that I'm gonna put up. And I also have a few more of those posters that I can also clip on to the twinkle lights. Alright, so I have the twinkle lights over here and I have all of my Polaroid pictures here, and I'm going to put it up on this wall. And excuse the gigantic hole on the wall here. Literally every single time I redecorate my room, I always have to think about what picture I can put on top of this thing so it doesn't look as ghetto. But I mean, it could work. When I put the strings up, I can just add a cute photo there and no one will know. So I basically just put 2 pins on each side and I measured out how long it's going to be for the twinkle lights from this side to this side. So now I'm just going to hook them on. So basically the lesson on how to have a Pinterest room is, if you have a gigantic hole in your room like this, just get some cute Polaroids and photos and put it on top and no one will know. And keep in mind, all of these like poster pictures that I've been putting up on my room are like, they're all super cheap, like super inexpensive. So basically it's having a Pinterest inspired room, but on a budget, which is great. Alright, so now that the string is up, now I can start putting the Polaroid pictures. So I just put these fake flowers here and some cute notebooks and some little mini candles from Bath & Body Works, which I pretty much like never light. I only light them for when I'm filming videos and stuff like that, so that it looks nice in the background. But otherwise I don't light them because I'm like paranoid that I'm gonna like burn the house down, so they're there for decoration. So now that I've put on the twinkle lights and the Polaroid pictures and the posters, I feel like everything is just really coming together and everything just looks super aesthetically pleasing, and I'm super happy with it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on to get notified every time I post a new video on my channel. So I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next one. Bye!